Over $5 million worth of Terra Classic coin has been destroyed by tax bond. Okay, over $5 million worth of Terra Classic. In fact, even Binance alone have also destroyed more than $10 million worth of Terra Classic coins. So right now, something good is about to happen, and that is Luna are planning for a mega burning of Terra Classic using the top holders. Yes, I believe, like I've been saying this before, and I'm surprised to see the proposal coming from one of the crypto experts who actually said, if you want to see your coin at the top, if you want to see this coin bounce back, if you want to see this coin hit higher, then the top holders should burn much of their holding. At least they can decide to burn, he said, between 4%, 7%, or even 10% or more. Especially those who are the top holders of that particular coin, which is the Terra Classic coin. There are some coins you see one person is holding half of the supply. Go and check. There are some coins you see just 10 people are holding 80% of the supply, whereby the remaining 20% is in the hands of few individuals. They are the one controlling the coin. That is one thing. Now, if I don't like, though me personally, I don't like investing the coin whereby the top 100 are holding more than 90% of the coin. Because if this top 100, when the coin pumps, decide, or if they decide to sell out, to back out, it will definitely crash that coin. Your money will be lost. That is why it is very risky. I love to invest in coins whereby the majority of the holders are in the hands of so many people. Whereby if you are checking the top holder, you discover that the top holder might be holding just 5% or 10% of the total supply. The top 10 holders might be holding just 10%. These are the best coins to invest because it will be difficult to control the market movement of such coin. So I like what this expert have already said about burning, bringing in the top holder. I've been saying it before. But if that can really happen, this idea would definitely sell, because I'm expecting more than 500 billion or 400 billion to 700 or even 1 trillion burning of Terra Classic. Let's assume it's just 10%. So let's assume it's 400 to 600 or 700 billion Terra Classic coins will be destroyed. So why don't they do it? Because I believe if you really want to make profit in a business, you must be ready to sacrifice some things. So if sacrificing some of your holding, which I'm ready to do that. If they want everyone to do it, I will do it. I will burn at least 5 or 10% of my holding, because I want to see the coin rise. If the coin rises, I will definitely make more profit than what I buy if I actually burn. That's just the strategy. Let's watch and see. If you remember, this is on the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.